So here's the formula. The first thing we're going to do is construct the syntax tree of this formula. Now, once the syntax tree is constructed, we note the atomic propositions and label them with the truth values given by the truth value function. The next thing to do is to label the remaining formulas with truth values. Let's start with the disjunction. Here's the truth table for disjunction. The left disjunct is Q, the right disjunct is R, and then we have the disjunction Q or R. Note that Q is true, R is false, so that means Q or R is true. We then move on to the negation. Here's the truth table for negation. The negated formula is Q or R, and then you have not Q or R. Note that Q or R is true, and so not Q or R must be false. And finally, we move to the main formula, which is a conjunction. Here's the truth table for conjunction. The left conjunct is P, the right conjunct is not Q or R, and then you have the main formula. The left conjunct is true, and the right conjunct is false, so that means the main formula must be false. So we have chased truth up the syntax tree and assigned truth values to every formula that shows up in the syntax tree. Of course, what we care about most of all is the formula at the top of the syntax tree, the main formula. So we see that the formula we started with, P and not Q or R, is false in the situation in which P is true, Q is true, and R is false.